At SHOT Show 2026 in Las Vegas, the event hall was full of new and updated gear from vendors all over the country. Sig Sauer used the occasion to showcase their newest version of the Spear Rifle, a belt-fed machine gun and a large drone capable of carrying it into battle to fire on targets from overhead. Check it out.
Hey everyone, Phil Strader here at SHOT Show 2026. We're obviously in the Sig Sauer booth, and behind me is the Wall of Spear. And for those of you who don't know, we actually won the next generation military contract for rifles and for belt-fed machine guns. This is the XM7. It was our submission rifle to basically give the soldiers more capability on the battlefield. A 6.8x51 round that has longer range and is more effective on target, and we were able to put it together in this package. We listened to our soldiers and their feedback and said, hey, we want something that's got a little bit less weight on it. So we removed the folding stock, cut some of the fat off of this thing, still has the same endurance, the same capabilities, the same caliber, but now it's in a much lighter package, and we are looking forward to giving them the ability to be more effective on the battlefield. And it starts right here with the M7, but it doesn't stop there. So you may know us as the commercial pistol company, Sig Sauer, but obviously we're in the defense industry too, and the battlefield is changing, and we are changing with it. We are now in the machine gun and drone business, and above me is our large Class 3 drone, and it has our mini remote weapon station on it and the M250 machine gun. It is day and night thermal capable, and it has a 3-hour flight time with the machine gun mounted. Now, we were able to demonstrate this at our defense symposium in front of a lot of people and had great results, and we're just happy to be a part of a technology that is going to change the way our soldiers fight. So speaking of next-gen weapons, this is another firearm that was part of that contract. This is the M250 machine gun, shoots a 6.8x51 round, so the same capability and same range as the XM7, and the suppressor is heat shielded and is compatible with this firearm as well as the M7, so they use the same suppressor. Quick change barrel capability on this firearm, and all mounting solutions for your optics, thermals, everything can be done on the tray. So when you reload the firearm, you don't have to worry about losing zero when you go back to fighting the fight. That is the M250, hell of a gun, and it's going to give our soldiers on the battlefield the support they need.
Up next, FN was also busy at SHOT Show, where they debuted a new budget-minded pistol. Have a look.
Hey everybody, this is Cody Meeks here at the FN booth introducing our latest pistol product, the FN 309. So we've done a lot of work here, designed this from the ground up. We've done a lot of work extensively with the magazines as well. We've recognized that there's a lot of people who don't want to spend $800, $900 on our duty-ready 509 handgun. So we wanted to put something together that gives you kind of that FN quality at a lower price point. This is going to be sitting around $500. So these magazines, I'll talk about these in particular first. We've done extensive development work with these magazines. You'll notice that they are all polymer construction magazines, no metal inserts here, but you can assure that these will meet kind of our FN quality standards. They've gone through our normal gauntlet of testing and then some. As you know, the magazine is really the heartbeat of the gun, so we had to make sure that these ran well. So moving on to the handgun, we've done a lot of innovative design with our unlock block and our barrel relationship. We've integrated the feed ramp into the unlock block, so you don't have to have that feed ramp directly into the barrel, which helps us reduce cost. So starting from the muzzle of the gun, you can see that we have our fiber optic front sight, nice overmolded polymer sight. In the rear here, we have the U-notch that has a high contrast white on it. Here we have our barrel, which has been optimized to feed without necessarily having the feed ramp included onto the barrel. And we've also been playing around with the weight of the barrel to try and get a reduced recoil impulse as well. Moving on back, we have our MRD system here. It comes direct mount for shield RMS pattern, so you can put it on Vortexes, Holosuns. Moving on down, we have a reversible magazine catch here. We do have our drop safe trigger. This has a shrouded trigger rather than the safety blade, but it serves the same function. We also have other 2 passive safeties built into the gun, our trigger pull safety as well as our out of battery disconnect. So moving on to the sights, we've done some clever design here. We've done some overmolds here that allow us to do a fiber optic front as well as a high contrast U-notch in the rear. And these sights still use our normal dovetails as all of our other pistol products, so you can still swap them out for suppressor height sights or metal sights or whatever you wish. So now talking about the fire control mechanism for this gun, this is an internally hammer-fired mechanism. So it's going to be similar to the Reflex, though it is a different design. That one's designed, optimized to be thin. This one's designed and optimized to be a very cost-effective design, but it's still going to give you a 5.5 pound trigger pull. And we're excited to be able to offer something at this $500 price point that gives you the same reliability, quality, and durability that you would expect from our higher price point gun.
FN also unveiled the latest revisions to their SCAR rifles. The many updates are intended to reduce recoil and improve ergonomics for the shooter. Here's a look at the latest.
Hello, I'm Cody Foster with FN America here at SHOT Show 2026, and we are debuting our new next generation SCAR. Some of the major changes from the SCAR from Legacy, we did extend the receiver by about 3 inches, adding M-lock instead of Picatinny. Behind the handguard, we did update the bolt carrier. The bolt carrier is a 2-piece hydraulically buffered bolt carrier, so hydraulic buffer to reduce that felt recoil. 2-piece, so you can go from non-recip, which is how it comes from the factory. You can move it back to recip without buying an entirely new bolt carrier. That itself is backwards compatible into a Legacy SCAR, so if you did want to get that functionality into your Legacy SCAR, you can. The fully ambidextrous trigger module is also backwards compatible, so you have a bolt catch, bolt release on both sides, right hand and left hand, extended and better ergonomic mag button and safety selector. True AR grip compatibility, so you can put whichever AR grip you would like on there, and like I said earlier, that is backwards compatible. We did stick with the SCAR mags. It's a proven mag. It's been around for nearly 70 years. We did a lot of other improvements. We added QD cups in the back plate as well as the stock. We recontoured the stock so that it's better for left-handed shooters. From the factory, it will come with M-Bus Pros, a vertical foregrip, extra selector levers, a M-Lock QD, and a bunch of other accessories just to make the shooter experience better. We did not jeopardize anything. Moving to next generation SCAR is tested to the same rigorous standards that the Legacy SCAR was. One thing that will be noticed is the fact that we are shipping with a Surefire muzzle device, but this one right here has a QD suppressor. So this QD762 is also launching here at SHOT. We have a QD762 and QD556. This is a forward venting low back pressure suppressor. This suppressor is hub mount compatible. The regulator is still a 2-position regulator, suppressed and unsuppressed. It is marked on the actual gas block. And one other accessory that comes with it is a heat shield on the actual weapon. That protects your hands so you don't get hot gases coming from the regulator out to your hand. Overall, we did a major improvement to a Legacy firearm without compromising any of the reliability or durability that SCAR is known for.